Hello, good morning everyone, especially sa mga ka-G2G. Nandito ako ngayon sa Tacloban, nagja-jogging lang ako. Ganda ng view, oh. Ang ganda ng view, ang ganda ng environment habang nagja-jogging ako. And today, I just want to talk about the law of accelerating acceleration. Ano ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin ng law of accelerating acceleration, yung gusto mo, gusto ka rin nun. And this is my message for today. Ang assurance ko sa atin today, ano man yung project, whatever project you're embarking on, your dreams, your goals, your aspirations, lahat ng yun, as much as you are putting effort into it, habang nagsisimula ka, habang nasa gitna ka na, the message for today is that the universe also wants it for you. God also wants it for you. Yung gusto mo, gusto ka din nun. Kaya kung siguro minsan, there are days na nahihirapan ka, there are times when you feel that you're a failure. Actually, failure is just a test. Tinetesting mo lang kung tama ba yun, tinetesting lang ng universe din, gaano mo yun kagusto. But here is the truth. The greatest message that you will receive today is this. Yung gusto mo, yung mga pangarap mo, pangarap din ng universe sa'yo yun. Pangarap din ng Diyos sa'yo yun. Kaya tuloy mo lang yan. Maganda yung ginagawa mo. Kailangan mo lang maniwala sa sarili mo. Kailangan mo lang maniwala na gusto din ng Diyos para sa'yo yun. And the message for today is the law of accelerating acceleration. Panahon mo na.